Good afternoon, traders. It is Friday, July 19th, 2019, and the U.S. stock market is closed. Well, Fridays never do too much for us, or almost never do too much for us, and today was no exception. Oh, we did make some money today. It was pretty minimal, um, and consequently a little disappointing. First of all, the Dow can't decide what it wants to do. It opened up, was positive for at least half the day, and then the last half of the day it started selling off and had a pretty good sell off the last 15 minutes of the day, closing right on its low there and officially down 69 points. If it was trading tomorrow, I would definitely predict a down opening, but with the weekend in between now and Monday, it could do anything on Monday morning. So we'll just have to wait and see. Certainly not a sell-off, but the Dow was a little disappointing. Also, uh, we had like $11,000 positive open trade equity on the close yesterday. This morning, when it opened up, we had that was cut to about 6,000, and then in the next half hour or so, 30, 40 minutes, it just vacillated all over the place, and I think at least three times I saw that it had gotten back up to $11,000 positive, but a lot of selling came in those last few minutes that we're hanging on to it. By the time we got out of it, we're, we got out with positive only $1,200. So that was disappointing. We got into only four new positions. One was positive, three was negative, and we're carrying positive $400 over the weekend going into Monday. So, yeah, kind of a crappy day compared to what we've been seeing last 2, 3 days. But that's trading. We did make some money, so I don't want to complain too loudly. I'll show you a couple of our trades. I've shown you this several times. This is JNUG, the um, gold mining bull. And 2 days ago, we bought that here, and we got out here yesterday with $6,700 in profits. And then it kept moving, hit our re-entry yesterday, closed nicely, actually for a few minutes gapped up there, but it did pull back some for our exit, but we still got out of JNUG with 4,700. So you take the first trade here plus what we got out today. We're over $13,000 there of profits from JNUG. So this has been the stock that is hard to beat and really pulled us through. So very happy with JNUG. And the one stock that did well for us today was Momo, and I believe Momo is tied to the Chinese stock market, if I'm not mistaken. We had bought this almost the last hour yesterday, and big gap up this morning, which pushes us into a third day holding period, and it was just straight line the rest of the day, very stable there. No indication that thing's going to sell off or fill the gap, but we're not going to know till Monday. A lot can happen on the weekend. The thing could gap up again on Monday in our favor. Who knows? But anyway, we're up about $2,600 there in Momo. So, just another one of those days, but we did make some money, even if it was a little disappointing. This is Trader Bob signing off. You guys have a fantastic weekend, and I will be back here trading on Monday.